Meaning of everyman.
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 Everyman. Everyman is a term that refers to an ordinary individual who represents the typical or average person. The character of everyman often serves as a symbol for mankind in general and is commonly used in literature, drama, and art to explore themes of mortality, morality, and spiritual salvation. As a literary and cultural concept, everyman suggests that all people share common experiences and struggles, regardless of their specific circumstances or backgrounds, and reminds us of our essential humanity.